Hello everyone, I am Samik. Welcome to Factorial. Today I am going to tell you some facts you may not know about Bay of Bengal. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The largest bay in the world.
Located in the Indian Ocean northeastern region and bordered by Sri Lanka and India to the west, Bangladesh to the north, and Myanmar and northern part of Malay Peninsula to the east, Bay of Bengal is considered to be the world's largest water region, referred to as bay. It is surrounded a surface area of 839,000 square miles or 1,350,000 square kilometers.
The name of the bay.
The Bay of Bengal has various names: Mahudadi, which means great water receptacle, Bangoposagara, which means Bengal's Bay, Bangosagara, which means Bengal Sea, and Purvopayudha, which means Eastern Ocean. It is also called as Kalinga Sagar in pre-British era.
The depth of the bay. The bay is about 1000 miles or 1600 km wide. It is an average depth of more than 8500 feet or 2600 meters. The maximum depth is 15,400 feet or 4494 meters. At one point, the Bay of Bengal used to be deeper than Mariana Trench, which is the deepest point in the world. The cyclone hotspot. Due to its triangular shape and position, the Bay of Bengal has become one of the biggest birthplaces for cyclone. Almost in every year, cyclone devastated the neighboring region, costing lives of many and damage in $billion. In 2020, super cyclone storm Amphan caused widespread damage in eastern India, especially West Bengal, and also Bangladesh, causing over $13 billion of damage. Host of the largest mangrove in the world.
The Sundarbans, the largest mangrove in the world, is also situated at the border of Bay of Bengal. The mangrove is home to a chital deer, a grey-headed fish eagle, the Royal Bengal tiger, and many species.
It's one of the biggest river basin. The Ganga and its distributaries such as Padma and Hooghly, the Brahmaputra and its distributaries such as Jamuna, Meghna, Iraboti, and other rivers like Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri flows into the Bay of Bengal. The shortest river to flow in the Bay of Bengal is Kum River, which measures 64 km. The diverse biology in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is home to one of the largest marine ecosystems, and there are many amazing animals that live here. These animals include the sea snake called Kerili jardoni, yellowfin tuna, bright whale, the endangered olive ridley sea turtle, humpback dolphin, and many other species. Also, the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve provides sanctuary to many animals, some of which include the saltwater crocodile, giant leatherback sea turtle, and Malayan box turtle. Islands in Bay of Bengal. The islands in the bay are numerous, including Andaman Island, Nicobar Island, and Merigui archipelago of India and Myanmar. The Cheduba group of islands in the northeast of the Burmese coast are remarkable for the chain of mud volcanoes which are occasionally active. Great Andaman is the main archipelago or island group of the Andaman Island, where its richest archipelago consists of the smaller islands. Only 37 or 6.5% of the 572 islands and islets of the Andaman and Nicobar Island are inhabited. Ports in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal consists of some of the largest ports in the world, which include Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kakinda, Pondicherry, Paradip of India, and Chittagong and Yangdong of Bangladesh, which is a huge contributor for local economy. One of the biggest fishing grounds. Did you know around 31% of the fishermen of the world live and work on the Bay of Bengal, and more than 7% of the world fish catch is done in the Bay of Bengal. More than 6 million tons of fish are caught every year in Bay of Bengal, which is more than 7% of world's produce, but huge amount of fishing has resulted in negative effect to marine biodiversity of the bay. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Have a nice day.